This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Skeparek. Gulf access. This home is beautiful inside and out. Split floor plan with separate jacuzzi tub and walk-in shower in the primary bath. This has 3 bedrooms plus a den/office, perfect for a work from home. High ceilings with an open floor concept. Dining room overlooking the pool area. The pool/hot tub is one complete unit. And lani are absolutely perfect. With large undercover area and large sunny area to lounge the day away. But it gets better. The covered 10,000 pounds boat lift with walk-around captain's walk. Trec decking and plenty of room to sit and fish off the dock, while enjoying a beautiful sunset. Both pool area and driveway are surfaced with pavers and a look of modern and sharp. Auto sprinkler system, Kinetico whole house water treatment. AC 2 years old. Tile lifelong roof. Hurricane windows and electric storm sutters. Seller's very meticulous and keeps this home maintained to a T. Pocket sliders across the back of the home to covered patio. With French doors off the dining room and primary suite. This also has a hard-to-find triple garage. Home has been painted with insulated paint that helps with energy efficiency. Short ride to the end Gulf. This home is in a great location, well sought after. Close to shopping, dining, nightlife, and plenty of live music and shows. Which you can go by boat, car, or bike. Just bring your boat and tackle and you're all set. The most beautiful sunsets you will ever see. Also minutes to the Cape Coral Beach. And a short drive to Fort Myers, Sanibel, and Capitivia beaches. 25 minutes to RSW or Punta Gorda Airport. Not in a flood zone. Home is pre-wired for a generator. Just plug in and you're all set. This home is so well cared for. Don't pass up a chance to call it yours. Extra fridge is pantry/laundry area. Workshop space in garage. And plenty of room for your boat or extra toys and extra storage. The sellers bought this home brand new. And would love a new owner who can appreciate it. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Skeparek at 239-443-3160.